If you use a thermal imager in preventive maintenance, you're familiar with this problem. A lot of similar measuring objects means a lot of similar thermal images. And in order to clearly assign the images to the different measuring locations after the inspection, you have to keep lists or add a voice commentary to each individual thermal image. Pretty complicated. The Testo SiteRecognition technology solves this problem. It carries out the recognition, storage, and management work for the thermal images after a measurement series fully automatically. This allows you to work through periodic inspection tours with thermal imagers Testo 885 and Testo 890 efficiently, and to finish by analyzing all thermal images precisely on a PC. The process is simple. Create markers for your measurement objects using the software IRsoft included in delivery. Print them on the supplied labels and attach them to the measuring locations. Done. The imager does the rest automatically. Incorrectly assigned thermal images are a thing of the past, and you can invest your time more usefully. By the way, with Testo SiteRecognition, you can also search thermal images using the description of the measurement object, the date, or a certain temperature, and of course find them too. The Testo SiteRecognition technology, more efficiency and security in preventive maintenance.